Sweeten your day with Honey Maple Cream Brew. Hey, sweet friends! Welcome back to the channel, where we turn everyday coffee into something truly magical. Today, we're making a drink that captures all the warmth of fall and winter in one creamy golden cup, the Honey Maple Cream Brew. This recipe is smooth, rich, naturally sweet, and absolutely perfect for cozy mornings, lazy afternoons, or any time you need a little comfort in your cup. Let's get started. Ingredients: for 1 serving, 1 cup freshly brewed strong coffee, or 2 shots of espresso, 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/3 cup heavy cream, or half and half for a lighter version, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional, a pinch of sea salt, optional garnish, whipped cream, drizzle of maple syrup, or dusting of nutmeg. Instructions: brew the coffee. Start by brewing your coffee nice and strong. Whether you're using a French press, espresso machine, or drip method, aim for a bold flavor that can hold up to the sweetness of honey and maple. Make the honey maple cream. In a small saucepan, add your maple syrup, honey, and vanilla extract. Warm gently over low heat while stirring. Don't let it boil. You just want to blend everything together into a smooth, glossy syrup. Add the cream and spice. Pour in the heavy cream and stir slowly. Add ground cinnamon, if using, and a pinch of sea salt to balance the sweetness. Continue to warm the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes until it's hot but not boiling. Froth it. Optional. For that cafe-style texture, use a milk frother or whisk to lightly foam the cream mixture until it's velvety and airy. Assemble the brew. Pour your hot coffee into your favorite mug. Slowly add the warm honey maple cream, letting it swirl beautifully into the dark coffee. Stir gently to combine. Finish and serve. Top with whipped cream, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a light sprinkle of nutmeg or cinnamon if you want to make it extra cozy. Tips and variations: iced version. Pour the honey maple mixture over chilled cold brew and ice for a refreshing twist. Vegan option: substitute heavy cream with oat milk or coconut cream and use vegan-friendly maple syrup. Extra flavor: add a splash of bourbon or Irish cream for an indulgent evening version. Oh wow, that's incredible. It's creamy, rich, and perfectly balanced. The maple gives a deep caramel note, the honey adds floral warmth, and the sea salt keeps it from being too sweet. This, my friends, is what cozy tastes like. If you love comforting coffee recipes like this one, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you never miss a new brew. Thanks for watching, and remember, good days start with good coffee. Stay cozy, stay caffeinated, and I'll see you in the next video. Coffee Sparkle. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.